The Suzuki GSXR1000 now produces the most mid-range of any 1000cc superbike. What's more, weight has dropped by 2 kilograms and it has gained Brembo brakes and comes with revised big piston suspension. Quote, Suzuki has gone back to what made the GSXR legendary and simplified the way to a quick lap time. In other words, stop for the corner, get the bike turned, then fire it out again with loads of drive. But without any electrical aids like traction control, can the new GSXR cut it on track? XA0